Okay, today's lesson is we're going to be learning about how to write fractions as division. So our question is, share 3 donuts with 5 people. How much will each person get? So the first thing we want to ask is, what is the question asking? So the question is asking, how much will each person get? So what I want to do is go ahead and maybe draw this out. So over here, I'm going to go ahead and draw 3 donuts. And I can see that if I have to share them with 5 people, each person is not going to get one whole donut. So when we do not have enough to share one whole item, or in this case, one whole donut, we have to divide by the number of people we are sharing with. So in this case, we're sharing with 5 people. So we're going to divide this into fifths. So I'm going to go ahead and do my best to divide this into fifths. Donuts are really hard to divide into fifths. So I'm just going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each donut has been divided into fifths. So if person number 1 gets this piece, and this piece, and this piece, each person is going to get 3/5 of a donut. So how much will each person get? They will get 3 pieces of each donut, and that would be 3/5 of a donut. Okay, also I can write it as when 3 divided by 2 as a fraction or mixed number. So we're going to write 3 divided by 2 as a fraction or mixed number. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I know that 3 divided by 2, the 3 is going to be my numerator. And when it says divided by, I know the divided by is a fraction bar. And so I'm going to do 3 divided by 2. And when we can't divide evenly, we have to write our answer as a mixed or whole number. So just to kind of review that, I notice that my numerator is bigger than my denominator. So I'm going to have to change that into either a mixed number or a whole number. And how we do this, if we can remember, is we're going to do exactly what it says. We're going to do 3 divided by 2. So the 3 goes here. It's divided by 2. 2 goes into 3 one time. 1 times 2 is 2. I subtract, I get 1. The 1 becomes my numerator, and the 2 is still my denominator. So when I do 3 halves, that's the same as saying 1 1/2. Let's try these together. So it says, write 7 divided by 9 as a fraction. So I'm going to just make 7 my numerator, 7 divided by 9, and it's 7/9. This one says write as a fraction 4 divided by 6. So I'm going to do 4 divided by 6 would be my fraction, okay? And of course I can reduce this in the same similar fraction for this, because I always want to reduce, is I can divide both of these by the number 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So I divided both of these by 2. Okay? Go ahead and re-watch the video or pause it if you need to and see if you can do these 3 on your own. And we will check them later.